Hey, hello, fellow traders. Let's do this. Hey, Dario Trader. Good morning. Ra. Hey, Ra. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I was muted. I think it's safe to say that we've officially broken out of this channel. Does anyone know if you get charged the renewal fee if you pass an Apex eval on the last day before it renews? think I don't think you do. I would reach out to support though, Esther, and like let them know. If you do get charged, I'm pretty sure they will refund it. Wait, you guys, yeah, you guys can hear me, right? Yeah, you guys can hear me. What are you? You guys are just pulling my leg this morning. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, that's a good point too, design. As long as you, yeah, as soon as you pay the, if you pay it before, but sometimes you won't get the, like sometimes you won't get the paperwork until like the after midnight. That's when you might have issues and you'll probably get automatically charged. But I would just tell them the issue and I think they take care of that. Because what she's saying is, let's say her renewal date is today and she passes the account today, sometimes you don't get that email until past midnight. And if that happens, then it's like, it's kind of hard to, yeah, makes it difficult. And I think then you would get charged for it just because it's an automatic system. But I would reach out and ask them to reimburse you or something. Okay. Hey, Fly Nod, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Oh, and it's Friday. Yeah. Ugh, I see. Hey, no problem, Fly Nod. Fly Nod, you are more than welcome. Does it annoy other people as much as it annoys me that the heart, like this little heart, is in the way all the time? I hate having to go into the settings every single day to change it, but I'm not sure what else to do. I know it annoys me. Yeah, you can't move it. I can remove it though. Hang on. Let me just remove it. And the heart is gone. I guess I just got to start doing that every day. All right, market. I need the clock. My clock is missing. I knew I was missing something. Uh, hmm. I will say by the way, so this is our new 150K funded account with Apex. So fresh, brand new, never been used. This is what we will be trading today. And this time I know what my daily stop loss is set at 800. So yeah, Garcia, I know, right? The Asian session is where you get the buying opportunities. I mean, right at the open of 6 o'clock last night, like, just go long there, man. If only it was actually that easy. Hindsight trading, you love to see it. Are we? Oh, we're open for business. Look at that rip. Who's where? I need this strategy thing. I need it. I need it, and I need it now. I'm telling you, there's something to it. There is something to it. Now we're pulling back. Let's see. Maybe we pull back, huh? We still had an initial rip higher at the open. Like, that still happened. And it has happened a lot lately. All right, maybe we just get some buying opportunities here, huh? Make sure. I mean, here's what I'm looking at. Might dip in here. Nope. And now we're going to break it. Hmm. We're going to try and get long here. Eh. We'll try again. I was hoping we could get a little more of a, hoping we could get a rip here, but this looks like it wants to keep pulling back now. Yep, that's what she wants to do. Or maybe not. We might try it again here. What? What signal was that for? Interesting. Wow, I don't know. It's starting to feel feeling kind of heavy here. Maybe let's be patient. Maybe we test the lows. We could be testing this 366 area, maybe. All right. Keep pulling back here. Man, so I don't know why it's so hard to buy when we're obviously in an uptrend, and then you look back and like, oh yeah, that was a great buying opportunity. But at the time, it's like, ooh, I don't know, man. This thing's got a lot of room to go down. Yeah, only goes up. Look at this. Yeah, this thing is just kind of feeling heavy. Got a feeling this thing's gonna rip again, but man, we're gonna be patient. Not, we're just not really getting that big rip higher right now. It's holding. Just keep. All right, we're getting close to the 365s here. We are getting close. Here we come. Oh, here we go. To trust this or not. Okay, getting that rip on the 65s. I want to almost see this retest it, but lately it doesn't seem to even do that. You good, Aaron? You good? You good, Aaron? You want to keep spouting off? The term ODTE, yes, I have. I think that's something to do with options and 0-day remaining, right? I think. If I remember correctly. Oh, wow. Look at that thing rip. Are we going to buying opportunities? I guess we just have to trust it. All right here's the. Now the question is, are we going to retest and take out these lows or not? Man, oh man, I'm not sure I trust it either way. Aaron. Hey, Aaron, why are you here then? Why are you here? I got an idea. Why don't you just go fly a kite, bud? Hmm. Boris, what's the point? I mean, if you I mean you get paid out we get paid out in sim or not. So I guess that's kind of the point is you get paid out. And this thing is getting choppy again. I don't like choppy. Hmm. But they'd rather you did badly. I mean, they paid out 10 million last month, so I and then you have to remember they also have the ability to, once they find the profitable traders, they can copy trade you. So therefore, it's not necessarily true. They want, if they find profitable traders, they can copy trade them. So therefore, they would benefit as well. Plus, you also can get moved to a live account, which then also would mean they don't really have to hope people fail, is kind of my point. People will fail without them having to hope for it. That's just the market. If you give 100 people $5,000 with no rules at all and tell them to trade the market, I bet you this very close to the same percentage of people will fail than if you put them in a prop firm. So they don't have to hope and people fail. It just will naturally, that is how it happens. That is It's just how it is. Unfortunately. Man, what a choppy mess again. Now I just want to stay out of this actually, because not not trading is probably a good idea. Or this is how I got killed yesterday. Trading this stupid range. Ooh, I just realized. Like we go higher than lower. Is this gonna break out now or not? Ugh, I don't. Hey, RM Trades, how you doing? Hey, I appreciated your video last night, and I know the feeling, man. Yeah, it was. I was watching that RM Trades, and I literally got destroyed in that exact same area, in a different way, but still. All right, let's get us an entry here. Nah, I just don't like it. Wanted to pull back here like to this 15,385 area. Then get long. And now it's ripping. Isn't that funny how yesterday I tried a breakout trade and it worked terribly? Today, breakout trade would have worked great. That is very standard operating procedures. Oh, today is a new day. That's right. Man, oh man, look at that thing go now. That's so. Oh, wow, wow, wow. It's tempting to chase this. You know what will happen if I do it? We get we get any kind of pullback here though. Might give it a chance. Oh, come on. Hmm. All right, come on, NQ, rip it. I'm gonna kill this if it doesn't rip pretty directly here. All right, I'm out. Now it's gonna rip, but that's all right. Man, I gotta ask, I'm just gonna call you H. But what did you spill your coffee on your keyboard when you chose a name? What happened? See if it breaks above it now. Looks like it will. Yep, there goes. There goes. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. We're going to have regrets here, or are we not? No regrets. We took profit. Now, can we had some resistance, the 420s yesterday. Are we going to take that out or not? It's just unbelievable how this market, it's just, I mean, look at it. Obviously, it can keep going. It's just seems kind of crazy. R5 Studios, yes. I am back on I'm back on NQ. We tried it. We tried ES and I just can't do it. I just can't do it. I tried. I did do this, and this is what my name came out to be. It was just made to be this name, I guess. I mean, I don't even know how to pronounce this, H, but I'm just going to call you H, all right? Hopefully that's not offensive. Oh, I hear you, Black Coffee Trader. Hindsight is always 2020, right? Could have re-entered on this pullback here, but I'm not. When we get up to these highs and this level, I just don't trust it. Just don't trust it, even though I know it can go higher, obviously. Now, 420 is definitely an area that it's been. I think 423 was yesterday's high. Look at that market. Unbelievable. Oh, wow. Just straight up. Unbelievable. Should have held, man. I told you. Yeah, I know. Take your profits, folks. Take your profits. Now the question is, ooh, I almost hit the wrong button. Do we try this or not? I feel like it's very dangerous. but also has potential here to really. Oh, maybe not. Feel like I'm trying to catch a falling knife right now. Oh, man. All right, never mind. We're just going to wait. Wow, what a pullback. I mean, that was a 100 tick pullback in less than a minute. That was crazy. I don't know, man. What is this? How many accounts were blown just now? A lot. A lot. This is. I feel like this is very trappy right now. Yeah, NQ. This is where NQs just gets very, very crazy. But man, that's crazy. Now we are pulling back right to this EMA. I mean, I can justify going long here. I'm going to be very, very quick to get out, though. And I don't like that. Oh. Gosh, I hate doing this, but I want to give this thing a little bit of room. This is where NQ gives you heart palpitations. Come on, gotta get it. We need a big rip high right here. Just need a nice rip. And oh, testing that EMA. Hold, 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 hold. Yeah, this is not going to work. I'm not going to move my stop. We're going to take our L. Take the L. Man. This is insane. Are we going to test the lows again? What is this? What happened? Or this is the negative side of trading such like or trading this kind of volatility. The good with the bad. I did not expect this kind of I did not expect this kind of move. I mean, we ripped right through the 420s. I mean, ripped right through them. Wow. Pretty big fake out. Yeah, this is wicked. Was there news at 10 a.m.? I don't think so. Not on my I don't think so. Man, pretty sure I'm going to look for a short here. Man, look at this thing go. New lows. Holy wow. What a fake out. What a fake out. We kind of have this 345 as an area, but man, oh man. Wow. I have no idea what to trust now. Feel like nothing is safe. Longs aren't safe, shorts aren't safe. Man, I do want to. This is tempting to sell, go short here. This thing really just gonna rip straight up now? Come on, guys. What is this? Holy go. This market is on something. Man, I'm gonna do it. Just looking for don't. Come on, get a little bit of continuation here on this pullback. Come on. There we go. Man. Need some follow through here. Come on, Bears. If not, we just gonna kill this. All right, I'm out. Wow. I'm telling you what, this this is some crazy volatility here. Feel like getting a runner going, you just have to have really good timing. Could have held that a little bit longer, but these V-shaped reversals have me on. I don't trust it. I don't trust anything. Look at this. Now it's just, wow. Oh, it's entertainment, that's for sure. You're long ES? What's ES doing? Let's look. Wait, you're long on ES from VWAP? You mean right here? Oh, to VWAP. Now I see. I can see that. I can definitely see this. And the fact that we don't test these lows again makes me want to buy this now. At the same time, I don't really trust it. Wow. It looks like this thing's actually going to keep going higher. I'm glad I took my profit. Look at that thing go. Oof. These V-shaped reversals just don't. I don't know. I feel like it's hard to trade them. Maybe some people, I'm sure some people like trading them, but it's so hard or it's so easy with these V-shaped reversals to get trapped. So easy. I got trapped. I got trapped on my 150K eval. I got trapped on it again. Hit my max loss again. Oh well. It's just an eval. All right. Now we're getting up to VWAP here. Mm. V-shape reversal. Again. Unbelievable. Garcia told you. Wait, did we actually already hit ES? We're not at VWAP yet. What are you talking about, Garcia? Unless you have a different VWAP than I do. But yeah, it's looking good. If that's what you mean. You're confused now. Market open at 7:45 before it opens at 7, and still it's 9:30 in US. How come? So we had daylight savings time. We had daylight savings time here. Do we just jump in here? Do we trust this? I'm not sure I do. If you have a 25K apex and have traded the required 10 days and have met the 30% consistency rule, can you withdraw 1,000? If you are over the profit threshold, which is $1,600, yes, you can. No problem, Jordan Studio. Thanks for stopping in. You want to trade back down to 15,380? I mean, that's kind of honestly, I don't know what's going to happen. I'll be honest. I feel very unsure. Very unsure. I wouldn't be surprised if we make new highs. I also wouldn't be surprised if we make new lows. And I'm just going to wait. Now it's looking like it's going to make new lows, but you know, just wait. If you don't like what the market's doing, just wait because it'll change. But I've been trading my 150K eval, which didn't go well. I got trapped on the short pullback with too big size. CL, I have looked at CL, but okay, are we gonna? I mean, right here, this is like where I would want to buy if I think this would be where I would do it. Also, guys, I will be ending the stream probably early today. I have to be at the warehouse and an in-person meeting that we're having this morning. I think it's for, gotta check again, but 12 o'clock is when I have to be there. Drawdown Studio with the $5. Thank you. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you have time, could you revisit the trade day live sim rules and payouts? If I did a video on trade day, I have a video on my channel where I kind of go in detail with it, but in a summary, there are 0 restrictions when it comes to withdrawals. Like, you can withdraw as many times as you want per day. You can withdraw multiple times per day if you want. There's no there's no restrictions. But with the evaluation, you have to stick within the 30% consistency rule, and you can't flip contracts, and you have to trade for 10 days. So the evaluation process is definitely a little bit different. But yeah, check out that video. Thanks for the $5. Thank you. Why can I not see chat? That's weird. Oh, it's because it's black if it's in that. Huh. Or do you have, if you have any specific questions, I'll try to answer them. Okay, we are just, I don't know what to expect. I really did not. Just kind of hanging out at VWAP here. What does reset mean for the evaluation? If you don't reach your goal by the end of the month, will it reset you with your subscription? Is that what it means? Yes, Blur. So Blur, if you, with Apex, so if you have, let's say you buy a 50K account and you blow it, if you just wait, then when it rebills after that 30 days from purchase, that rebilling will serve as a reset. Now, I always recommend people, like, if the current sale that's going on is 71%. So, a reset at 80%. If you have a rebilling and the rebilling amount is 80% off, then obviously that's a better deal. If you have a current sale is 90% off, then it's better to cancel that account and buy a new one. So right now our opening range, 15-minute opening range is 54 points. We're right at the bottom of it here. All right, well, let's see. We might make new lows. I mean, I think it would be pretty bearish if we make new lows from here, so I kind of want to just look for shorts at this point, but The way the market's been going the last week and a half, feel like it's also kind of a bad idea to go to look for shorts based on the longer time frames. Kind of a conflict of interest. Hey, how we doing, Lorello? Where did you learn your trading strategies from? Lots of videos and then just personally watching the market for a lot of time, which I'm still new. I'm not here. I want to make this clear if anyone new. Don't come watching me learning how to trade, okay? Don't do that. I am still learning. Don't don't come here thinking that I'm going to teach you how to trade cuz I'm still being taught. If you want to come watch and maybe understand some things of what you shouldn't do, I can probably help you with that. Also, yeah, Apex now has a Discord. Found that kind of, man, I didn't know I mean, maybe I'm sure it's just like trolls. Trolls like anything else on the internet. There's going to be trolls, but man, there's a lot of people at least some people hating on content creators. People like to be hating, which I understand. There's kind of a bad um historical data of content creators in the trading industry. I get it. All right, look at this. About to Looks like we're about to make new lows. So everybody that got long right here, this is what I always think about. People that got long right here and we're hoping, holding for a big move, to highs, they're experiencing some pain right now. They are experiencing some pain. And if we make new lows, that pain's going to get a lot worse to the point where they're going to yell uncle. Hmm. Wow, now look at this. Made new lows, but no follow through on those new lows. No follow through at all. I'm gonna look on this trend line or on this EMA. I'm gonna look at that as a potential opportunity to go short. And now we're pulling back. Test those lows. All right, let's see. Can we get a bounce here or are we just going to go lower? Man, I don't know about this. This market feels. Oh boy, wow, look at that rip. I got to make sure. Is there no news today, right? I want to make sure I'm not missing news. Man, if this fails to rip lower here, it is tempting to go long. Feel like this has got potential fake out written all over it, but really need this thing to rip right here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Eh, I'll be. This really gonna pull back? Oh, man, this would be a good re-entry, possibly. I feel like I'm getting greedy here if I enter again, though. I better not. Gosh, I. I. All right, I don't like that. Uh-oh. Oh. Now, are we going to make new lows here? Glad we didn't take that. Man, I don't know how. Should have pulled a trigger, but I don't trust this. I want to go long, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to wait. Short every pop. I know. I feel like shorting is definitely, now that we failed, I don't know that I want to short. I want to look for longs. Quite frankly, this is, and now I'm not going to get filled. Nope, I'm going to wait. I don't want to get impatient. Let's wait and just be patient. What time is it? 10:46. Now pulling back again. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm glad I'm being patient. I'm glad I am being patient. What is your... What? Hey, Garrett, how we doing? Hey, Lavender 6018. Man, I gotta... I want to go long here, and something is telling me not to do it. Ugh. So much volatility right now. Hey, if I used to be Amish, I did. Used to be. I should show you guys a picture of when I was Amish. Here. You want to see it? Just for entertainment purposes. I saw a guy on Discord. He was insinuating that I'm just making everything up. It's like, ha ha ha. We go up, we go down, we go all around. This market cannot decide what it wants to do. Oh. Are we going higher? This thing cannot get above the 380s right now. It's had multiple tries and failed. All right, maybe now it'll get going. Oh, there it rips. Breaking out. Now, will it hold? Should have just taken the trade, I guess. Whatever. You could use cameras? Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was going to get an Amish picture. Sorry. I knew I was missing something. Trying to find one with Let me keep scrolling here. Let me. My wife doesn't like when I get. My wife would not like if I would show a picture of her, but I trying to find one when with it where it's only me. Oh, here's one. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? There it is. The buggy in the background as well. You love to see it. Good times. Good times. Does that look like me? Does that look like me? See, now it's at a point where it's actually kind of tempting to go short, but I'm just not doing it. I mean, we failed to make new lows here, and I'm not doing it. I did take my long setup on all of my funded accounts on this one, so we are nice and green again on our funded accounts, which is great. You can see here. Oh yeah, by the way, so this dashboard looks a little bit different, which is pretty cool. But basically, it now shows a subtotal for my funded accounts. So with my funded accounts, we're $900 in green. And then my screen went out of focus. That's probably your phone. Just reset and make sure that you have 1080p selected as the resolution. But yeah, I took a little bit too big size in the morning and got ripped to shreds on this account again. But if it's green like this, it means it's a past evaluation account that's passed. So still playing with this account management tool and trying to get everything to work correctly. I looked very Amish, really? Yes, I am a religious person. Yes, I definitely am. I still have the same beliefs. I just like I always tell people, or some people kind of have a misunderstanding of Amish. Like Amish are Christians, they believe in Jesus, and it's just a different way of life. It's not being Amish isn't or shouldn't be a religion. It's just a way of life. And I didn't change my religion. I just changed my way of life. Is really what the way I look at it. All right, market. Do we want to go higher? I look like Shaggy. I was ready to say I kind of look. I remember. So the picture I showed, this is me getting flowers for Mother's Day. And I was, yeah. But you guys can tell it's me, right? I mean, come on. There's some other ones that I could show you guys that would freak you guys out even more, but I'm not going to do it. How many years ago was that? That's actually a great question. Let me look. $2014. So that was 9 years ago. That is crazy. I actually would not have thought that it was that long ago, but yep, that was 9 years ago. Man, I'm about to buy this again. Oof. I'm a little bit hesitant because of this candle here. Now I need to take my profit here. This is not ideal. This is a little bit more like a scalp. Just a quick little scalp. I show you my girlfriend. You look really young. Is there any secret to age well? Not that I know of. The only secret is no, I don't have any secrets. Wow. Look at this. We're actually just going to keep going higher. Crazy. Unreal. I guess we should have held that long. This thing is just slowly going higher. Very methodically, just man, I should have held that thing. Ay, ay, ay. I didn't trust it with this double top here, but obviously hindsight is 2020. Wow, look at that breakout. Oh, daddy should have held. Should have held my 19 funded accounts as well. Should have held that too. This is unbelievable. Every day this happens. Every day. It happens every day. Oh, Barkin is speaking? Okay, nice. I see. I was not aware. Hey, Kevin, thank you. If I've ever used Quant Tower, I did. I used Quant Tower for a bit. Problem is, the Quant Tower's trade copier is pretty terrible. Terrible, and I would definitely not use it for trading. I just wouldn't use it, period. Okay, here we are at the 420s again. From the 350s to the 420s. Just like that. Impressive. Impressive indeed. I'm definitely not gonna go long at the top here. That's for sure. Hey, Elephant Whisper, thank you. Did Trading provide demo trading? Yes, Cash. I believe it. Well, I think it does. I'm not that familiar, but I think so. When do I think the 90% sale will be back? I don't know. I'm hoping maybe Black Friday, but I have no knowledge in the situation at all. We could be neighbors if in Lancaster. Man, I'm not sure what I want to do here. If this pulls back, do you buy it? I feel like it's and it is a very nice uptrend. I'm so scared of all these V-shaped reversals all the time. There's just so many of them. So many of them that it's hard to hang on to. Wow, here we go. Oh man. So hard to buy up here. It's so hard. At least for me. Even though technically probably the right thing to do on these pullbacks just to get in. What is my profit goal on the 150? 1,000. So once I hit 1,000, 1,000 profit goal, then we are done for the day. So we're actually only 300. I try not to think about it. I've got myself in trouble a couple times. I've got myself in trouble a couple of times where I've gotten really close. So then I just start taking trades that I shouldn't just to try and get to that daily profit target. But I'll definitely take a setup, but I don't want to force it. Yeah, and it's kind of like, when you, yeah. Did it? Okay, are we really gonna rip to new highs here? Can we get above the 420s? See what the daily looks like. Man, that's crazy. We could be at all time high or like above the 16,200s by the end of the year. The rate we're going, we'll be there by the end of the month. Woo! Just saw a spike. Man, yeah, Eric Yang, it is. And like I love trading. Like my ideal is when we have a nice trend and then we pull back and then I enter. Like that's ideally what I look for. And these V-shaped reversals, like there's been multiple times where I get trapped and it's not always good. If I play video games, yeah, I do. I was playing last night or yesterday after I was done trading. I was playing Fortnite. It's on yesterday's live stream if you want to watch. Hmm. All right, are we gonna test and make new highs? Wow. The answer is wait, we didn't make new highs. What was that? All right, unbelievable. That was a wick test. I mean, still have not made new highs. One thing I need to get better at, like, and this is so much easier said than done. Okay, so take it with a grain of salt. But my entry was really good on like this trade here. My entry was really good here. And obviously in hindsight, it's easy to see, but I do want to challenge myself to try and let my runners run. It's so much easier to say because I feel like every time I enter a trade with the mentality of, okay, I want to let this runner run. Every time I do that, it just goes against me. But I don't know. You're up 757 on your 100K account. Nicely done, H. Nicely done, Hams. Okay, now this is the pullback where I get a little bit scared. We've got new highs, not quite, we failed to make new highs. We got a double top here. And now we got it starting to pull back. Oh boy. I don't know, man. Not sure I'm going to just jump on this thing. Imagine we go all the way and test the lows again. Imagine. Anybody want to venture if that's going to happen or not? Yeah, I was ready to say, is that Hamza? Trade with Hamza? Oh, it used to be Fluid Dream. Man, all you guys in here changing your name all the time, it's hard for me to, that makes it difficult to me remember who is who. Powell speaks at 2? Ooh, I just saw what time it is. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, I have to go. I actually do have to go. I will probably be back around 2:30, but I'm going to end stream. There is like a very, very small chance I start up stream again after 2:30-ish, but I don't think I will. I doubt it. And we had a good day. Our first day trading this 150K account. We're at $600 profit. We're at $20 profit on our other funded accounts. So we'll take it. We will take it. So anyway, let's play Fortnite. Nope, I gotta run. I got somewhere I need to be. I have to be there at 12 o'clock, and it takes me 20 minutes to get there. So I gotta go. When I have 1 million subs, will you forget people who can't come now in your live? Nope, I don't forget. I still remember the people that came when I had 3 viewers. So if you guys keep your same name, I'll remember you. But if you change your name, I'm sorry. I'm not that good. All right, everybody. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. And we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. I think, as far as I know, there is something pending that there is a potential that I have to be somewhere tomorrow. But right now, I think I will be live. So I guess just stay tuned. But hit the like button before I leave, and take care. Have a great rest of your day.